Chamisa's return to politics. Zimbabweans eagerly await launch of new political outfit. The 31st of August 2025. Spread the love. By Innocent Moindisvo and Hira. Change radio. Share vertical bar, follow vertical bar, sharing is caring. The Zimbabwean political landscape is abuzz with anticipation as opposition leader NelsoncHamisa prepares to unveil his long-awaited new political movement. After conducting an online poll across his social media platforms, Chamisa's supporters overwhelmingly voted for the new party to be launched this year, setting the stage for what could be a major political shakeup ahead of the 2028 elections. Chamisa resigned from the Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, in January 2024, alleging that the party had been hijacked by ZANU-PF elements. Since then, he has been quietly rebuilding from the ground up, strengthening grassroots structures and engaging communities across the country. His new outfit, insiders say, will focus on addressing Zimbabwe's most pressing issues: youth unemployment, service delivery failures, and collapsing infrastructure. A new political force. If launched as expected, Chamisa's party is tipped to become the biggest challenger to President Emmerson Mnangagwa's rule. Supporters describe the movement as a fresh alternative built on unity, inclusivity, and citizen empowerment. The current government has been divisive and exclusionary. We need a new approach that unites the nation and delivers development for all, Chamisa has said in previous addresses. Global spotlight. Chamisa's return has not gone unnoticed abroad. Diplomats and international partners are closely watching how his initiative unfolds, with many seeing it as a potential turning point in Zimbabwe's democratic renewal. A stronger opposition presence could reshape the country's engagement with donors and investors, especially as the economy continues to struggle under inflation, power shortages, and poor governance. Hope and uncertainty. For many Zimbabweans, Chamisa's comeback carries a mixture of hope and cautious expectation. His movement is seen as a chance for real change, but questions remain about its structure, funding, and ability to withstand political headwinds from the ruling party. As the clock ticks towards the official launch, citizens are asking, will this new formation finally deliver the accountable and transparent leadership Zimbabwe deserves? One thing is certain: Chamisa's return has reignited the political imagination of a nation hungry for change.